welcome back to another video, and today
it's chemistry with me.
Me and
that's a permanent pen. Oh,
sorry.
It's fine. So today we're going to carry on for one last little bit of reacting masses. I found a particularly difficult question from the 2019 paper. You ready? So today I go with me, Emmett and Ava. Say hello, Ava. No, she wants to say hello, Em.
TikTok.
Nice. Right, so come over here, Ace. Come over here, Ace. This is a follow-on from yesterday, where we said about reacting masses. Now, in this experiment, we've got magnesium plus hydrochloric acid goes to magnesium chloride plus hydrogen. Okay. Now, in this experiment, 0.445 grams of magnesium were used, and it says calculate the mass of hydrogen that will be produced through this reaction.
You have 30 seconds.
No, we got a bit more time than that. But I think what we should note is that it's a one-to-one reaction. So if we know the mass of this, we can work out the number of moles of this. We can therefore work out the number of moles of this, and then work out the mass of that. Same process. So I'll put my little triangle up in the corner. Number of moles equals mess over AR or MR. And we're going to work out the number of moles of magnesium.
Moles.
So make sure your calculations are clear. Equals mass over MR, so it's 0.445 divided by, I say MR, it's AR because it's relative atomic mass. If it was a molecule, it'd be relative molecular mass. And there we go, divided by 24. They give it to us already. What? This is too easy. 0.445 divided by 24 equals 0.019 moles. Now, this is the key bit, and I want you two to answer me this. If there's 0.019 moles of this, how much of this must there be?
0.19.
Close. Try again. 0.019.
0.019.
You are a molar expert. 10 out of 10 for you. So therefore, 0.019 moles of H2. Now remember, if we know moles, and we always know our AR or MR, we can work out the mass. So mass equals 0.019 times H2, 2 times 1, times 2.
Times 2, yeah,
times 2. Wait, I'll put right there for 0.019
Sharpie smells bad.
times 2, I know.
I like the smell.
Equals
Weirdo.
0.038.
8 grams. Now, if we look at this, you think about this. Magnesium, we only had 0.445 grams of magnesium. And look how much heavier magnesium is compared to hydrogen. 24 times heavier. So we're talking a big old change in. That sounds about right to me. Now, obviously, I'll check it on the mark scheme. But, well, no, you've got to assume I am right. Now, this is where it gets a bit more, taking it to year 12 stuff, okay? This then says it is known that 1 mole of gas has a volume of 24 decimeters cubed. 24 decimeters cubed is a special way of saying pretty much 24 litres of gas. 1 mole takes up 24 litres. Guess how many 2 moles would take up? 1 takes up 24, 2 takes up
49.
48. 24 plus 24 is
48.
48. What if it was 3 moles? Well, that gets a bit more trickier now, doesn't it? Can you do that one?
24 plus 24 plus 24.
24 plus 24 plus 24. But anyway, it's given us an equation, and it says use the equation below to calculate the volume of hydrogen produced. So number of moles equals volume of gas times 24. We don't need to work out number of moles. We've already got number of moles. But we've got one of these triangles. And there we go. This is good for my kids as well. Number of moles. Volume of gas divided by 24. Now we need to know volume. Well, look at that. It's number of moles times
7.
24. Number of moles times 24, which is 0.038 times 24. Can you do that on a calculator for me, please? My Handsome assistant.
7.
No. 0.038 times 24 equals 0.912 decimeters cubed, which is basically a fancy way, like I said, of saying liters. Now, can you show them, make sure they can see all that sheet, please, Ace?
7
Nice and still.
times 7.
Have a go at doing this. I'm going to pop it on the Google Classroom, and then you can see what I've done as a mark scheme. We've done probably the trickiest maths parts now, but I might move on to
Harder.
Well, this is the hardest stuff actually. So if you're doing well at this, you're on fire. So keep up the good work. Make sure you're looking after yourselves, and you know these things I'm putting on here is not for you to get stressed about. And if you feel like you don't want to do it, don't do it. No one's going to persecute you for it. We'll do this in lesson at some point anyway, okay? But I just want to try and make sure you keep ahead of your chemistry game, which is always a good thing. So take care, everyone, and I'll see you soon.